wolves, I bet I lead the pack. I'm grinding right now, cannot hold me back. Every time I get mad, I rage, I go outside to swing my bat. Every time I get mad, I rage, I go outside, I pop out the cut like a bat, Put that boy in the mat,
YouTube, it's your boy Jay, and I'm back with another video.
I was up 10%. Man, what the hell you ever seen a Trackhawk, 2 scats, and an RT lined up?
Wait a minute.
RT, come on now.
Lined up.
Lined up. You ain't never seen that before.
Stop the cap.
Yeah, I already got that shit out. You got the rim nuts, fool?
What do you mean by that?
Everything should be in that box.
What box?
Oh yeah.
Anyways, I ain't even informed y'all. We doing the install vid today on the Charlie. This y'all first time seeing the Charlie for real. I didn't vlog the first time I seen that bit, but y'all get to see this bit. That's how y'all really get to see. I ain't gonna show y'all the other side. We got an install vid. Y'all know me and Vinny be on the mechanics for real, hood mechanics.
He ain't lying.
Unfortunately.
But we see we got the pre-drill holes already. And all we gonna do is get them in there.
These are here.
These are
Alright,
here.
so we got the cover off. What's next?
No, let me see.
Bad secured on that.
A few moments later.
Oh, okay.
Oh, so you lined it?
No.
Y'all lined it up and then y'all about to.
What was it?
Yeah, I'm about to say put that bit down there on there.
That ain't gonna work.
That bit won't work. She too big. Niggas.
I got the motherfucking charge on me because I didn't think I needed it.
Man, we gonna have to do something.
I'd be so calm and chill and mellow. You feel me? And then, you know, it's just certain things like I'm not insecure, but I wouldn't allow you to.
There she go.
You know, I'm single friends and you the one in a relationship. I don't condone that shit.
9 hours left, I can't wait till we touch down. I got 900 left, give me 80, you can buy them. I'm trying to hit Columbus, I'll pay you if you drive me. I've been all about $1 since a baby in a diaper. Caught a pistol case, running from the stadiums, I was tired, broke as fuck, couldn't get out. Bounds $1,800, now I'm...
Gotta make love to it sometimes.
What do you mean by that?
There you go. Gotta give it a pat on the back sometimes, that extra kick. What happened?
I had my socks off.
Why was your socks off? First time seeing the rap, so y'all gotta rate the rap.
0.
That shit really a -10.
Man, so what the hell, bro? Y'all think I actually did my shit with this rap, man?
But what the hell, boy?
Bullshit,
Man, this shit garbage.
The circumferences of the hood first.
No, man, let's just do it. You got nothing to lose. We put it on.
This what happens when you get your friends to install some shit.
Why the fuck would you close it?
It's not closed.
God damn it, yes it is.
No, it's not.
Oh yeah, I would love to see him eyeball this shit. What the hold on. This how this shit used to be. That's what you was gonna do.
No, cause bro, look.
Hey, the fitment's perfect.
Hey, hold on, wait, I forgot, hold up.
It's perfect. Yeah, perfect.
All you gotta do is pop this shit for us, and we're gonna do this.
I mean,
and pop this.
Cause they ain't never seen you be a hood mechanic before. Normally you just be BSing.
I need to do it. It's on the side of the house. Tell who? Where's she at?
We taking the hood off.
She told me to do
we
trash?
finna demon swap this bit.
Oh, alright. Then that means I gotta do the trash. Oh damn, it is Thursday.
We'll help you out. It's Tuesday.
Did y'all go vote?
Hell no.
I ain't either. Alright, bet. Then I can't feel bad, because I know my dude's finna ask y'all. And if y'all all say no, take the heat off me. Okay.
Alright, hood is off. We finna see this bit line up. Alright, you call me V, I'll be right back.
I'm gonna crash out.
What happened?
Oh, great. There's a wild out.
What's going on?
This drill has 0 torque.
What do you mean?
Yeah.
She's not punching?
Oh no, I haven't tried it yet.
I was about to say, you might want to put a stock on that drill.
You not in?
My God, oh, hell no.
Yo.
What the fuck, man?
F my life, please.
Let's get it right. It should do the job.
You don't even got no torque to drill through.
Right from the code, right? Do this in my phone. Yo. Yep. You ain't buying it, bro. I'm not letting you do that. I'm not letting you do that, bro. Yeah, and what you eating? What do you? Nah, bro.
I wonder if it just needs to charge more.
Put it in reverse, Terry.
Okay, now it's dead. So I'm gonna charge.
That bit, we had that bit all the way in that mud. That bit would not turn. This is why you don't try things at
I want it to
home.
be on by 8. What time is it?
You're cooked. We gonna check back in about 30 minutes, I ain't gonna lie.
A few moments later.
I'm doing it manually.
Hey, yo.
Never mind, Jay. I did it manually.
What did he say?
Yeah. Nah.
What the fuck? This man is fucking the wing.
What do you mean by that? I'm putting the hood in the hood mechanic.
Yo, that is some hood mechanic shit.
How does this tool even work, bro?
You talking that yang shit. Dumb ass motherfucker.
Where's the other one at?
Yeah, right, yeah.
How many's in the bag?
We got, I can't count, y'all let me know how much that is.
Okay.
So now we got 5 left.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wait a minute.
Wait, what?
Wait a minute. Alright, guys. Like before, we got every last one of these holes in.
Oh.
Feel me?
Got it.
So now all we gotta do is attach this thing here. You know what I'm saying? Slap that on there, screw it in, and then she done. Done deal. Done daughter. It's an easy install, not gonna lie. It's like our 5th Wickerbill install.
He ain't lying.
We're gonna call it quits after this.
That's my last one.
No more Wickerbills.
I'm retired after this one.
A few moments later.
Speed racing, he not hard, he fake it, yeah. Be patient, stay down till you make it, yeah. She basic, cut her off and upgrade it, yeah. Ball up, upgraded, niggas 12 like Tom Brady. She so damn shady, she wanna be my damn lady. Wake up, wake and bake it, she eat her dick like eggs and bacon. The kids in the yard, they rake, I don't even know why they hate. You won't understand, we can change places. Back and forth, I keep pacing. Play with numbers, time tables, we made him jump like jumper cables. Don't try to be brave, we leave faces. Pull up in the caddies like a spaceship. Water and game, we give 'em faces. That bitch me grew, I want 8 minutes. Tryna give me a ring, I want 8 just see what I got, let me check the pace. I'm big girl, you know you ain't tryna run up the bag, I need 8 M's. Stay up to 8, like who is that, who made him? Knock a nigga out, KO. I got a handle like OJ Mayo. Ain't change, I pray for him. I can't stop, gotta keep going. I ain't happy, gotta make more. You want anything I pay for? Got found shit on my radar. I walked in with an AR. These niggas hate they DR. I go dummy like a retard. I seen 12 had a detour. He put fake, he a steroid. He so fake, he an android. I was so broke, I was so poor. I'm a real troll.
There you have it. Wickerbill install. That's how you do it.
Never again. Horrible. I'm like, well, I don't rush.
Shit ain't going nowhere. That's how everybody do something. When you get done doing stuff, you gotta give it that little wiggle. You be like, okay.
Now, Kowalski, where's my phone?
She ain't going nowhere.
He ain't lying.
Yeah, that's good for that Wickerbill right there. That one's slight, easy.
Hey, just call me, boo.
Yeah, she can see she is indeed done.
Call me like.
Yeah, man. That's gonna be it for the day, bro.
I gotta clean up the shop real quick.
Okay, bye.